Welcome once again to my channel. We have this question number 3 for us to solve. We have this is equal to this and this is equal to this. This actually, one of the question is an indices leading to linear equation. So let's solve it out. Solution. First three, we have 27 raised to the power x over 81 raised to the power x plus 2y equal to 9 equal to 9. So here, that is going to be the same thing as 3 raised to the power 3 of x all over 3 raised to the power 4 of x plus 2y is equal to 3 raised to the power 2. Yeah, if we do the indices here, you see division rule said that provided that the bases are same, you subtract the power. So we're going to have 3 raised to the power 3x minus 4 into x plus 2y. Yeah, everything is equal to 3 raised to the power 2, which will eliminate the base and equate the power. 3x minus, remember this 4, so minus 4x, like 4 times x, and minus 4 times minus 8y is equal to 2. So this minus this is minus x minus 8y equal to 2. Let's say multiply through by minus 1, multiply through by minus 1. This implies that x plus 8y equal to minus 2. Let's call this our equation 1, since it's coming from the first given equation. Then secondly, we have x plus 4y equal to 0, equation 2. So these are this have now turned to two linear equations that were to resolve together. That gives us what we call simultaneous equation. So here, let's use elimination without wasting time. From elimination method, so that the video will not be too lengthy, we're going to do equation 1, equation 1 minus equation 2. That will give us x minus x will give you 0. Then 8y minus 4y will give you 4y equal to minus 2 minus 0 is minus 2. This implies that 4y equal to minus 2, which we divide both sides by 4. If you divide both sides by 4, that will give you that. That will give you that y equal to 2 here is 1, 2 here is 2, minus 1 over 2. That is the value of our y. Then you solve for x. How do you solve for x? You solve for x using either equation 1 or equation 2. Let's say from 1, let's say x plus 8y equal to minus 2. This simply implies that x plus 8 into minus 1 over 2 equal to minus 2. And that will give you that x 8 times minus half is minus 4, then equal to minus 2. We should give finally that x equal to minus 2 plus 4. But when minus 4 cross equality sign, turn to plus 4. That will give you that x equal to 2. Hence, x equal to 2, comma, y equal to minus 1 over 2. Take note of this. That is 2 different answers that we're looking for. Please like, share, and comment. Don't forget to follow me for more. See you in my next video. Bye.